If you want to play the latest and most demanding games, you will need the right machines to keep up and elevate your experience. Games these days are becoming more graphics intensive and not to mention CPU intensive after all. So why not upgrade to a more powerful gaming laptop? What's up guys, it's Sayer from Yugatech, and today you're looking at the Omen Max 16, HP's latest and most powerful gaming laptop yet. It's loaded with the latest and most capable gaming tech that promises to help gamers of all levels push boundaries, boost performance, and unlock endless possibilities. Well, at least that's on paper. But here's the more important question. Can this really deliver? Today, we're putting the Omen Max 16 through a full stress test to find out just how far this beast can take you. So, what else are we waiting for? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about performance. Let's see if the Omen Max 16 handles everything we throw at it. The Omen Max 16 is equipped with Windows 11, allowing you to experience the best apps for both work and play. From playing AAA games, live streaming, and 4K video editing, to amping up productivity with Microsoft Office and running multiple background tasks all at once, we are not holding back. And so far, the Omen Max 16 is handling everything like a champ. Thanks to real-time AI optimizations powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor with 24 cores and 24 threads, it delivers just the right processing power to whatever task you're focused on. With the new Omen Gaming Hub, switch to Unleash mode and you can manually overclock the Omen Max 16 to unlock its full potential. That means pushing up to 250 watts of total processing power to maximize both the CPU and GPU performance. With combined support for up to 64 gigabytes of fast DDR5 memory, and you've got a machine built to go further, faster with no bottlenecks. Just raw adaptive power in your command. And just check out how this baby performs running all of the games we threw at it. Maxed out graphics on the latest titles are not a problem with the Omen Max 16. We've got steady FPS and frame rates on all games at all times, which is an impressive feat, especially for the more graphically intensive titles. There's no need to sacrifice the graphics just to have consistent frame rates anymore. To give you an even better idea of how capable the Omen Max 16 is, we've run our usual benchmarking apps. As for the scores, just as you would expect, it's top notch, and you can check them out on screen right now. But performance is just one part of having a great gaming experience. What takes things to the next level is the immersive audio and visual experience offered by the Omen Max 16. Let's start with visuals. You get a stunning 16-inch display with 2.5K resolution, anti-glare low blue light IPS panel, and a variable refresh rate of up to 240 Hz. Yes, you heard that right, 240 Hz. It's sharp, fluid, and fast, perfect for locking in that headshot or keeping up with the chaos in high-speed games like Forza Horizon or Assetto Corsa. This amazing display is paired with HyperX tuned speakers and HP Audio Boost 2.0. The soundstage is great, directional, and surprisingly powerful for a laptop. Every footstep, reload, and explosion that's happening on screen is heard clearly, letting you properly immerse in the game without the need for headphones. With top-tier visuals and immersive audio working together, the Omen Max 16 definitely enhances your gaming experience, whether you're playing something visually impressive or something competitive. So, we've seen how the Omen Max 16 performs under pressure and how engaging the visuals and audios can get. But what happens when things really heat up? During extended gaming sessions with everything maxed out, we pushed this laptop hard, there's no doubt about it. But even then, it held steady. No throttling, no stutters, no frame rate drops. Even when we ran productivity applications like Lightroom and Photoshop together with the game, we had no issues playing or working whatsoever. So if you plan on working and playing at the same time, you can. Quickly hit that Alt tab and you're back at work editing photos or videos. Need to take a break from work? Switch back to the game with ease. But best of all, there are no heating issues with the Omen Max 16, even with all of these apps and games running. That's all thanks to the Omen Tempest Cooling Pro system, which, as the name suggests, manages heat like a pro. It keeps temperatures in check and performance consistent all throughout, even in the middle of the most intense firefights or the most competitive games you're playing. So whether you're deep in a competitive match on Call of Duty or even Forza Horizon, or grinding for hours just trying to get the latest gear on World of Warcraft or any other MOBA, the Omen Max 16 stays cool under pressure. So you can keep your focus where it matters most, the game. Now for the final verdict. Did the Omen Max 16 pass the stress test? Absolutely. After everything we've put it through, one thing's clear. The Omen Max 16 isn't just a gaming laptop. It's a full-on powerhouse. It's perfect for someone who wants an immersive gaming performance and experience similar to what you'd get on a gaming PC, but in the form of a laptop. When you're not playing games, you can easily get work done too. And as we tried out, we didn't even need to close the applications we were using in order to run the game smoothly. One hit of the Alt Tab button and you're back to playing your favorite games, and it works the same when you need to get back to work. One thing's for sure though, you might end up slacking on work if you're using the Omen Max 16, especially at the office. Just don't blame us for that if that does happen. If you're interested in the Omen Max 16, it is available on Shopee and Lazada, as well as authorized HP resellers nationwide. Despite being a gaming laptop, it also comes with Microsoft Office Home 2024 and 1 year of Microsoft 365 Basic to help with all of your productivity needs and more. No excuse not to get work done anymore. Well, that's unless you keep playing. And here's a bonus. You can get up to 8,000 pesos in GCash rewards when you buy this laptop, plus enjoy 0% interest for up to 18 months with home credit. But what do you think of the Omen Max 16 gaming laptop? Will it be your next gaming laptop? Well, I'm definitely considering it. Now, if I only don't need to return this. But whatever the case, share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll see you soon. Bye.